Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Ambire wallet to MetaMask. Ambire wallet and MetaMask are both popular crypto wallets used to manage digital assets and interact with decentralized applications, also known as DApps. But sometimes users want to connect Ambire wallet to MetaMask, either to manage the same account, use MetaMask with certain websites, or import their Ambire wallet account. So in this video I explain clearly how Ambire and MetaMask work together. There is no direct connect Ambire to a MetaMask button like connecting to a website. Both Ambire and MetaMask are separate wallets. However, you can import your Ambire account into MetaMask if you have the private key or use the both wallets separately with the same network. So once you can open any of the web browser in the top right, this extension is here. You can select to your Ambire wallet extension, and once it opens, what you can do is go to the accounts in the top. Over here, select add account, and over here you can simply import an account, and that is it. That's how you can connect your Ambire wallet to MetaMask. Remember, there is no direct connect feature between the two wallets, but you can import using a private key if available, or simply transfer funds between them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.